Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the history of English literature. The history of English literature is very closely related to the history of the English people. It began with the emergence of the English nation and kept on evolving along with the social development of nation. In the history of this nation, there had been several religious and political changes. Scientific discoveries and inventions also changed the mode of life from time to time. All these historical changes brought about significant changes in literature. So, in the history of English literature, there were different phases of progress. Each of those phases, known as age or period, has been given a particular name, sometimes after the name of the king or queen, sometimes after the name of a great writer, and sometimes according to the spirit of the time. Some of the ages have got more than one to the spirit and one name because different historians have given them different names. Similarly, the duration of a particular age also differs according to the choice of the historians. Apart from these names, some of the ages are subdivided into smaller ages, though the names and time span of the ages of English literature differ from historian to historian. The following list derived from M. H. Abrams. The first period 450 to 1066, the Old English period or the Anglo-Saxon period. Then 1066 to 1500, the Middle English period. The Middle English period is also subdivided. The Anglo-Norman period begins from 1066 to 1340. The Age of Chaucer from 1340 to 1400. The Renaissance period 1500 to 1660. The Renaissance also divided into four ages. The first, Elizabethan age, from 1558 to 1603. The Jacobean age, 1603 to 1625. The Caroline age, 1625 to 1649. The Commonwealth period, 1649 to 1660. After then, the Neoclassical period, 1660 to 1785. The Neoclassical period is subdivided into three parts: the Restoration period 1660 to 1700, the Augustan age or the age of Pope 1700 to 1745, the age of sensibility or the age of Johnson 1745 to 1785. Then the Romantic period from 1798 to 1832. After that, the Victorian period begins 1830 to 1901. The Victorian period is subdivided: the Raphaelites 1848 to 1860, the Aesthetism and Decadence 1880 to 1901, 1901 to 1939, the Modern period. The Modern period is also divided into two parts: the Edwardian period 1901 to 1910, the Georgian period 1910 to 1936, और then 1939 से the postmodern period till now. First of all, we will study the Old English period or the Anglo-Saxon period. The Old English period starts 450 and ends 1066. This age started in the 5th century when the Jutes, Angles and Saxons come to the England from Germany, defeated the English tribal